We're here today at Cars Park Community Garden in Cars Park to celebrate Earth Day. Joining a community garden is a good way to reduce your carbon footprint as well as reducing food miles. You can see here these plots have been here for over 10 years and they're using recycled materials such as roof tiles. And all the residents that use these plots are feeding themselves, which is a way to live more sustainably.
Over in the garden we have compost bins, and these are really great to recycle your food, and also it makes great nutrition for the soil.
One other exciting thing we have in the community garden is this insect hotel here. So this was created by members and it attracts a lot of biodiversity to the garden. We've got native bees, flies, and a lot of pollinating insects that help to pollinate the plants. Also, interestingly, over here we have the Cars Park Eco Shed, which is constructed using straw bale foundation over 10 years ago. If you'd like to join the Cars Park Community Garden, get in touch with Georges River Council.